How do you recover from a run, nutrition wise? How many carbs are you eating for your diet? How many hours of sleep are you having? Once you understand these things and you're willing to put in the time and the effort to understand these things, that's what makes it enjoyable because it doesn't feel like you're pushing yourself to the extreme. And you can do it step by step. You don't have to do these extreme training programs for you to run a marathon because when you're running a marathon, maybe you're going to hire a coach and you think that, having a coach, I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong. It's good. I still coach people, but you still need to understand it's about the process. The coach is supposed to help you through that process to find the thing that you enjoy or to understand your body. Like, okay, how much sleep do I need? What's the nutrition that I need? Hydration. How much do you need to drink? When should you eat? What do you need for recovery? Do you need to stretch? Do you need to go for a massage? What shoes should you get? Those are the things that your coach can help you with, figuring those things out. And the coach can accelerate that time. A coach can accelerate that time so that you don't have to try and figure everything out on your own. But once you figured out, you're like, okay, this is what I enjoy doing. Because you might also not enjoy it. You might realize, okay, you hire a coach and the coach tells you something that you don't like. And like, okay, this is not the thing for me. And then you just give up. Because I've also had people who are like, working out is not for me. Like they try it and then they realize what it takes to like lift weights. Then they're like, nah, it's not for me. And I've met people who are like, I'm a runner. I enjoy running. I'm like, okay, great. But also it gets to a point where I realize like, okay, working out in the gym, like I still do all of these things, right? I'm not saying that I don't do them, but I do them in a way that I enjoy them. And I recognize I have to work out, I have to do my cardio, I prioritize my cardio. And I do run, I do walk, I use a bike, I stretch, I do everything. It's because now I understand what the gym requires for me, like lifting weights. Lifting weights is my favorite thing. But when I lift them, I also recognize for me to keep on going, I have to recover. I have to do my cardio, my heart health. I have to do these things. But the foundation is still the metal. It's still lifting. That's still the foundation. So you have to recognize for you, what is it that you enjoy? And understand, like, okay, for me to go to the gym, okay, I need this. For me to run, I need this. And I think there's like, especially because when I started running, I recognized, I underestimated how much a good pair of running shoes can do for you when you're trying to run. I completely underestimated that because when you have a good pair of shoes or sneakers, yeah, just running, it's like you're bouncing. It's like you're bouncing off, like just leaping forward with the good pair of sneakers. So you have to think about this and say, okay, the thing that I want to do I have the right equipment? Do I have the right things? Do I have the right diet? Am I getting enough sleep? Whatever it is, you have to do it. So that's what I'm going to leave you with today is to really think about what you enjoy doing, what you want to do, and figure out what is it that you need to do for you to actually start enjoying the activity. What tools do you need? What guidance do you need? Those are the things that you need to start figuring out. and recognize that everyone has something. There is something. And the goal is not reaching or completing an event, but the goal is actually to keep on going and never stop. That is the true goal. That is the real goal. There's no finish line. It's to keep going. That is what you need to recognize. So if you're someone who's still confused after this, or if you've gone through this already, but you're still stuck, send me a message. Send me a message. I think there should be a link somewhere. Go to my site, send me a message, an email, and we can talk, we can discuss and figure out what is going on. So I'll catch you guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.